Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Hey, Errol here. This is my post-install video. I'm actually gonna open up this install video with a quick review of Elite Touring Innovations. So Wayne from Elite Touring Innovations, the owner, the guy, the man, actually got back to me via Instagram DMs with some feedback. So he actually showed me a video saying that these locking bolts need to be past the case, otherwise it's going to put stress on the case. There's my pup. So yeah, now I don't feel so bad about having drilled the hole in the wrong spot. All right, man, it looks so good. It looks so good. Let's see. Whoops. I had some tools because I rode around today, just in case. But you'll see there that yeah, that way it's not flimsy. Because if you look later in the video, it's a little bit flimsy. That's why. So that's pretty much it. I think it looks great. This is a great system. I can't wait to take it out. Actually, I'm already planning next year to get the touring pack. So I could swap this out, get the 1606 Pelican, which I'm probably gonna go ahead and order right away now so that I can use it for stuff, and then go camping with this thing. So yeah, shout out again to Wayne. Great product. Definitely worth the price. Definitely worth the wait. What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and it is time for a motorcycle video. I don't know if I've posted any on YouTube to this point. Yeah, I know I gotta clean my bike. I am going to install these performance caser brackets from Elite Touring Innovations, all the way from Canada. Check it out. So here is what I am going to do. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm kind of kicking myself in the ass. I didn't get the quick knobs and I didn't get the covers for these. I mean, I am gonna have the Pelicans on there all the time, but check it out. I'm gonna wash the shirt anyway, but yeah, Baby Yoda agrees. This is quality right here. Like, if you could feel what it feels like, man, this is money well spent, and I haven't even used it yet. So for this install, I'm gonna need a drill, a 5/16 drill bit, and a 9/16. I don't know if this is gonna work. I hope it does. I got this off of Amazon, both of them off Amazon. Let's go ahead and see. I have these rear turn signal plates, but I think I'm gonna keep this one. It's from Harry Customs. I don't know if I want these on there. We'll see. Because yeah. So let's go ahead and start this install. From California. I'm trying to think how I was gonna start off doing this. So what I'm gonna do is take off this hold fast sissy. I still get to use it with this set because I got the quick release pieces right here. And yeah, so for this part of it, you are going to need T45. Wait, hello there. So before I continue with the install, I'm going to use the instructions that Wayne from Elite Touring Innovations sent with the hardware. But before I do that, I'm going to clean the bike, at least this area, because it's dirty. It's been raining. And then I think also in this install, I'm going to go ahead and do these Pelican cases. I hope I don't F it up because I don't have a second person to help me, and I don't have a bike stand to level it. I'll figure it out. Wing it. Okay, so I think I have everything set up, ready to go. Hopefully I get this done before the sun goes down. So step 1, remove fender support hardware one side at a time and install the receiver posts. Always confirm tire clearance from bolts on inside of fender, blue Loctite as recommended. Place case brackets as shown in second pick. All right, let's check it out. All right, so before I finish this, I gotta take it off, put some blue Loctite on there. I was debating as to whether or not I should install these. These came free with the set. I think I'm gonna keep this one in there. This one's from Jeremy Rose on the forums yeah, he's the owner of Harry Customs. I kind of like that one. I like this too, but I think I'll save it for the future. All right. Okay, so I just wanted to test it to make sure that I can still put my sissy bar on there. It's a little different, the side, like for example, the one in the back. It's different, but that's okay. I like it. All right then, so I got it on both sides. Pretty cool. A little tip here, when you are torquing them or tightening them, I would have it offset 45 degrees, and then when you're tightening it, the whole thing will spin. I don't know how it's gonna be straight on both sides. I guess it's just gonna be trial and error. I hope it's not too crazy because I plan on, you know, getting under there every now and then. We'll see. Okay, so I did steps 1 and 2. Step 2 was place case brackets as shown in second pick. Now step 3, position case with marking tape as seen in pick against the brackets using supplied mini level to assist in determining they're on the same plane as the stance of the bike. Please note shock and exhaust clearance at this time. It's a good idea to note your shock compression and travel while mocking, and place case with enough clearance to accommodate. Always a great idea to have a partner to help you with this. I don't have one. With case in desired position, use a marker or scribe to outline the bracket's position with case in place. Remove case and place brackets on top of case and trace out the brackets and mark on tape. All right, there are the picks, there are the cases, and let's go. All right, look, I don't have a tripod. I'm gonna try to do this myself. I got the tape on the back. Let's see. Here's the leveler that came with the kit. I'll just try to, I don't know, do something like this. And just make sure it's level. Like right now, it's definitely not level. Actually, I'm gonna put my seat on. How about that? And that's level. All right, I'm gonna probably do a time lapse because it's gonna take a while. All right, I'm at the point where I don't really care anymore. I've been doing this for about an hour, maybe more. The sun is going down. If it's fucked up, it's fucked up. That's about it. That's all I got. Update. Shitty drill. Made in China drill bit. And let's hope this works. I'm gonna install this one first before I do that one. Check the level one more time. Been nuking it. Alright. Okay. Install brackets as shown on the back of the case as seen in pick. The sequence of fasteners from inside of case. The bracket are as follows: 1/4 inch button head, lock washer, fender washer, sealing rubber washer, case, sealing rubber washer bracket. Blue Loctite is recommended. What a pain in the ass. Fuck this one up. Hello, Charlie here. And don't pay attention to that. It's fine. So check it out. I think it looks decent, good enough. Clearance for the exhaust. Maybe I did it a little bit too high, but that's okay. Don't care. Looks pretty dope. So let me show you what I messed up on right here. When you start your 9/16 go ahead and start it on the bottom. Fuck. Could I please tell me I put this upside down? Okay, I started this one too low. Started this one too high. You can see where the locking bolt goes. I'm probably just gonna cover it up with masking tape, but you know what? My secret. My damn secret. Oh, fuck. All right. So, I definitely fucked this one up. Hopefully it doesn't fall off from riding. If it does, I'll just have to get a different Pelican case on here. I can use this for storage for something else. Yeah, that pisses me off. Oh well. Okay. I got the lock bolts in. Now I gotta do the other side. That one. So let's see what happens. Oh, did I tell you step 7, install case on bike and fit? Probably. Step 8, second case, remove the brackets from the first case. Perfect symmetry is achieved by placing the cases in a mirror image as they would be positioned on bike as shown in the pictures below. Align the cases perfectly and pass a marker through the holes of the drill case to mark the undrilled case. Once again, confirm markings line up with holes on bracket. Drill the second case and install brackets. Secure all fasteners with blue Loctite. Yeah. I don't even know if I want to do this today, but I will. Alright, perfect damn symmetry. I got it up against the wall. I was gonna do a corner, but there's spiders here. So lined it up. Oh shit. Okay, so I'm gonna line it up, and then I'm gonna do a marker through the holes. Okay, starting these off with smaller holes, and then I'm gonna put in with the big bit, the big hole. That way. Oh, that's better than the second case. Damn boy, this is the other side. Check it out. Pretty damn dope. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm gonna get some locks for these. Yeah. Yes. This one looks way better than the other side. So if you didn't know, this is how it works. This is how it works. Grogu approves. You can. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. It's stuck. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. So these are the locking bolts. So nobody could just, take these and slide them up. But yeah. Yeah, buddy. So how am I gonna put this other side, you ask? Well, first, I gotta put, all right, done, son. Check it out. Pelican saddlebags. Let's take a look at it from different angles. Excuse the mess, I will clean up after. Man, that gold hardware is sick. Sick, sick, sick. All right. All I know is this is the way. I almost forgot to test out to see if the hold fast works with the sissy. It actually looks pretty good. I was kind of worried because the back is a lot fatter than the stock, or not the stock, but you know what I mean, the Harley software. So it slides a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, I love it. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this anymore. Probably gonna take it off, maybe sell it. I mean, it's still convenient. Actually, I'll probably keep it. Yeah, man. This is great. I just want to give a shout out to Wayne from Elite Touring Innovations. This is great stuff. I'm super happy. I got a nice picnic. was kind of worried about getting top loaders, or not getting top loaders instead of these, and this is actually gonna work out pretty nice in my favor, I would think. So that's all I got, man. See you later.